Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Thicken tool. Now the Thicken tool is like offset in regular NURBS modeling. However, because it is thickening a SubD cage, it is a little bit different. And I'm going to show you guys why. So in order to access the Thicken tool, you can find it here, or if you prefer to use the puck, of course, you can find it over here as well. Now, in order to use it, all you have to just click on the tool and click on the SubD cage, and it is going to thicken it like this. Now, one of the options that I really like is the crease edges option. Now, of course, with the distance, you can increase how thick you want the cage to be. So right now, by default, it is set to 20. So if I want to make it a little bit thicker, you can adjust the range like this. Now, of course, you can also use the manipulator over here if you want to do a little bit more incrementally, however you want to approach it. Now, so I'm just going to leave it at 50, but because it's actually offsetting the cage, you'll see that it actually has a little bit round edge like this. Now, the crease edges actually is really helpful by default, because if you don't, basically it's going to create an edge like this, which actually might not be desirable in most situations. So I do like to keep this on. Now, for edges like this, you do have to go back in there, and you do need to just go ahead and use the puck over here, and I'm just going to crease it so that it retains the structure as it's intended. So for edges like these, I do suggest to using a combination of different tools, especially the crease, to get the shape that you want. All right, so that is how to use the Thicken tool. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.